I usually ride a bike alone.
Madalas mag-isa akong magbisikleta.
It often rains here with us.
Madalas umulan dito sa amin.
Do you often eat out?
Madalas ka rin bang kumain sa labas?
How often are you late for work?
Gaano ka kadalas nahuhuli sa trabaho?
My body hurts more than often.
Napapadalas na naman ang pananakit ng katawan ko.
They would talk about me very often.
Madalas nila akong pag-usapan.
Kevin usually gets what he wants.
Madalas nakukuha ni Kevin ang kanyang gusto.
Does your mother often scold you?
Madalas ka bang pagalitan ng nanay mo?
They go out to dinner fairly often.
Madalas silang lumalabas para maghapunan.
How often do you call your mother?
Gaano kadalas kang tumawag sa iyong ina?
I often take a walk after eating.
Madalas akong naglalakad-lakad pagkatapos kumain.
He travels more often than I do.
Madalas siyang maglakbay kaysa sa akin.
I often think of you.
Madalas kitang iniisip.
Which among your cars do you often use?
Alin sa mga sasakyan mo ang madalas mong ginagamit?
I often receive an email from my previous job.
Madalas akong nakakatanggap ng email mula sa dati kong trabaho.
Who often talks with you on the telephone?
Sino ang madalas na kumakausap sa iyo sa telepono?
Typhoon frequently hits the Philippines.
Madalas ang bagyo sa Pilipinas.
She doesn't often make mistakes.
Hindi siya madalas magkamali.
How come you don't call me often?
Bakit hindi ka na madalas tumawag sa akin?
Do you often get sick?
Madalas ka bang magkasakit?
Do you often feel hungry?
Madalas ka bang makaramdam ng gutom?
Does he frequently come here?
Pumupunta ba siya dito ng madalas?
Dirk often borrows money from me.
Madalas na umuutang si Dirk sa akin.